We had a drafty window. We saw this on TV. It's Alien Seal. Gotta love the name. Anything with alien in it's kind of fun. This product worked really well. What I like about it, it's soft and it's flexible, so it can grab around any crack or crevice that you have on an old window where you have cold air from coming in. And that's the whole point of using this product. Another great thing is that it's reusable. So if I take it off of the window in the springtime and I go to put it back on in the fall, I can actually use the same product. So I love when things are reusable. That's great for the environment, great for the homeowner. Definitely a DIY project. This was easy. Measure, cut, put in place. Can't be easier than that. And it's gonna stop cold air from coming into the house. So definitely recommend trying it. If you've used it and you wanna tell me how you used it, leave that in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.